Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. There was an aged artist who lived in a small village. The man used to design beautiful artistic works to be sold at an attractive price. One day, a poor man among the villagers challenged the old man, saying, "You earn a lot of money from your handiwork, but why don't you assist the poor people in the village? Can't you see that the butcher is not as rich as you are, but he still shares free meat to the poor people in the village? Also look at the baker. He is a poor man with a large family, yet he gives the poor people free loaves of bread." The artist did not respond angrily to the accusations. He only smiled. This left that poor man confused about the reaction of the artist. So he left him and went on spreading rumors that the artist was so rich, but he was a selfish person who only accumulated wealth and refused to help the poor. Because of these rumors, the villagers then hated the old artist and they all forsook him. The artist became old and sick and could not do anything for himself. But nobody among the villagers cared to visit him or help him. So then, in the end, he died a lonely man. After a while, the villagers observed that the butcher stopped the free distribution of meat and the baker would not give the poor people free loaves of bread anymore. When they were asked why, they responded to say the old artist used to donate money every month to pay for the free meat and bread to the poor people in the village. Now that he was dead, there was nobody to pay for the free food anymore. From this, we see that we cannot pass judgment on anyone based on his physical appearance or what people say about him. There are things about their personal life that we do not know, which, if we were privileged to know about, our judgment would surely be different. You see we heard of a man who died in a bar or in a casino, and then you hear about another person who died in the masjid. Then we would start saying, obviously the first man died as a sinner and the second man died as a righteous man. But what if we change our thinking and said the first man entered the bar to preach against sin and the second man entered the masjid to steal from the masjid? It is for this reason that we cannot decide who goes to heaven or who goes to hell. So we need to fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in privacy and in the open. And we should not judge people based on their physical appearance, because there is definitely a deception in that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us all the understanding to practice upon His deen. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.